If you seen our first video, we took the old CV axle out, just easy like that. And now we'll be putting this brand new one in. This is 2011 Lincoln MKX, same thing as a Ford Edge. We'll be installing this brand new CV axle. Easy peasy. Let's go. Alright, just push it all the way in there. We have to move this knuckle on the side. Let's put the floor jack underneath here so that this knuckle is out and away. Alright, look at that. It's out and away. So we have lots of room to work right there. Push it in there. All the way in. Hopefully it's all in there. Let's go underneath, double check, make sure it's in there. Yeah, a little bit more. We'll push it in more a little bit and then it should be good. Alright, I pushed that thing all the way in. It's not going in anymore, so this is perfect. This is good right there. It's all nice and flush. Alright, let's go up top. Alright, let's put some anti-seize on this tread right here before we put it in. Same thing with the lower ball joint, we'll put some anti-seize. Alright, let's put this in. Back to the hub. Alright, so anti-seize on this lower ball joint. Let's put it into the hole. Get in there to the hole. Alright guys, there we go. It's nice and so it's all lined up in there. We're gonna torque that nut to spec. But first we'll start working down here, up here, and then we'll torque the nut. Alright, you're just gonna put anti-seize on that bolt right here that goes into here. This is the pinch bolt. Right, so on the other side we'll put this nut, and this is the 15mm socket on that nut right there. Alright, we'll took that nut and that pinch bolt to spec, but first we're just gonna put everything back together here. This 10mm bolt, ABS harness right here with a clip on, and sway bar links. We'll go back to the hole. Just wiggle that thing. There you go. Gonna lower the jack, and then we'll put that nut back in there. I'm gonna put this nut for the sway bar link. You can see that it's spinning on us, so we're gonna have to clamp this thing down so it won't spin. Just grab a vice grip, hold it down. There we go. Perfect. Alright, so double check everything here. We got the nut down here, the bolt on the other side. It's snug. Sway bar links snug. ABS sensor clip on. Brake hose bolted down. Okay. Alright, we'll torque everything down to spec. Alright, so the nut and the pinch bolt underneath with the ball joint is that one is 41 foot-pounds. Okay, and then the big nut right here, those are heavy one. It says on SI service it's 258 foot-pounds on those ones. Alright guys, so this new nut right here, it won't fit with the 35 socket. So what I got here is a 1/7/16. That's a massive one right here. So we're just gonna torque this to spec. It's a big hole right here, so we're gonna need adapter. Alright, so 3/4 adapter right here goes in there, and then another 3/8, I guess. Look at this one right here. This is a 3/8. Go in there. So many adapter, and finally we got the impact. Just gonna bottom it out. Alright, we got the 258 right here. It's all the way to the top. There you go. Double check. One more. There. 258. Wow. Massive. Alright, so again we'll double check here. torque to spec. Down here is torque to spec. Just nice and snug. This one is just clip on sway bar link, torque that to spec. Alright, so next we're gonna get this thing a good clean up here, and then we'll put the wheel back on and then torque the wheel lug nuts to 110 foot-pounds, and it's ready to go. Alright, that's it guys. This is done. Torque to spec. Easy peasy. Now you know how to do it on your own. Just replay this video, rewatch it. Look at that, Jesus Christ. It's like almost 8 o'clock at night, so it's time to go home. Alright, so subscribe, thumbs up. See you guys again on the next one.